Hello everyone. If you are stuck at 99% loading in Marvel Rivals, don't worry, you are not alone. Many players have encountered this issue, and in today's video, we will walk you through the several solutions to fix it and get you back in the game. So now let's dive in. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. So close Marvel Rivals completely, then exit Steam as well. Then open your task manager. For Windows, you will need to click Control plus Shift plus Escape. And check if any Marvel Rivals or Steam processes are still running. If they are, you will need to end them manually. Then relaunch Steam and try restarting the game again. Now another cause is a slow or unstable connection. This can cause stuck loading screens. So you will need to try these steps. Restart your Wi-Fi router, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for better stability, or if you are using a VPN, disable it as it may interfere with the game servers. Another reason is corrupt or missing game files. So here's how to verify and repair your Marvel Rivals installation. Open the Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Marvel Rivals, then click on Properties. Here, click on Installed Files. Then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete, then restart Steam and try relaunching the game. So another cause is outdated graphics drivers. So it can cause loading issues in games. Make sure your drivers are up to date. For NVIDIA users, open GeForce Experience and check for updates. For AMD users, open AMD Radeon software and update your drivers. And for Intel users, use Intel driver and support assistant for updates. Now, if you are finally able to launch the game with the previous solutions, but still experiencing issues, lowering your graphics settings might help. Set the game to windowed mode and reduce settings like texture quality and anti-aliasing to see if that helps. But if nothing else works, as a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Marvel Rivals. So go to Steam, Library, select Uninstall, right click, then select Manage, and click on Uninstall. After that, restart your PC and reinstall the game. After that, try launching it again. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix the 99% loading error in Marvel Rivals. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.